Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Femi and today we are going to be installing memu. Memu is an Android emulator, so it basically means we are going to be installing an Android emulator on the system. So today we're going to do it. It's very quick, well, not as quick though, because it takes a bit of time to offload everything on it, but let's see how it goes. Yeah, just click quick install and let it go. Yeah, so as you can see, we've installed it. What we're going to do next, I'm going to close it because I want to run it through my graphics card. I don't have it as my default. I really don't even know why, but I don't run it as my default, so I'm going to run it through it now. Yeah, it's loading. Just give it a bit of time to load and it comes up. Yeah, 40%, 42, 43, 46, oh, 60, okay, 64, 65, 66, 67. Yeah, so I don't know if I've said this already, but still, if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back, and if you're new, please kindly consider subscribing. It helps me a lot, and this channel will create tech videos based on OS's, Mint, Linux. I don't have anything on Mac yet because I don't have a Mac PC, but still, we'll get there. But okay, let's hold on now for that and let's look into the emulator. You can see it's installed and it gives you like a tablet view of, basically it gives you a tablet, let me just put it that way. So you see, I'm gonna go to settings. It's kind of slow. Yeah, okay, I'll just click it again. Okay, I'll go back there. Yeah, settings, it comes back up. Yeah, you can see like a basic Android phone. Yeah, I used a Techno Droidpad 7D a few years ago, and this is not different from how it look like. Yeah, it's basically the same thing. Well, the Android version was quite higher, but I'm gonna see what I can do about the Android version. But in another video, I'm going to show you how to install different Android emulators that can give you even up to Android 10. Yeah. I'm not going to just turn off the animation scale now, because I usually do that to increase the speed of that, to just cut off the animation completely. So yeah, done. I'm going to disconnect it now. So thanks for watching. See you next time.